Ever wondered how to make your mark on YouTube and truly stand out amidst the sea of content creators? Struggling to find your unique spot and capture the attention of your target audience? Here's a thought-provoking question. Why try to reinvent the wheel when you can leverage the proven success of others? Ready to embark on this transformative quest? Let's delve in. Find your place in the YouTube landscape. To grow your YouTube channel successfully, it's crucial to find your place in the YouTube landscape. This means understanding where you fit within the broader YouTube community and identifying the niche or area of expertise that sets you apart from others. Here's a detailed explanation of how to find your place in the YouTube landscape. Start by defining the specific topic or theme that you want your channel to revolve around. Consider your interests, knowledge, and passion when choosing your niche. Once you have determined your niche, research existing channels that are already successful within that space. Look for channels that cover similar topics or target a similar audience. Differentiate yourself from other channels by identifying your unique selling proposition. Determine what makes your channel different, special, or valuable compared to others in your niche. Study the demand for content in your chosen niche. Look for keywords and topics that have high search volume but relatively low competition. Assess your own skills and strengths. Determine how you can leverage your expertise, experience, or talents to create valuable content for your audience. Refine your niche further by narrowing down your focus. Instead of covering a broad topic, find a specific subtopic or niche within your chosen category. Your personality and unique voice play a significant role in finding your place in the YouTube landscape. Be authentic and let your true self shine through in your content. As you start creating content, pay attention to the response from your audience. Analyze the engagement metrics, such as views, likes, comments, and shares, to understand what type of content resonates the most. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button now. Work out how you can stand out from the crowd. To grow your YouTube channel and attract a loyal audience, it's essential to stand out from the crowd. With millions of videos uploaded to YouTube every day, finding ways to differentiate yourself is crucial. Here's a detailed explanation of how to work out how you can stand out from the crowd by understanding what sets you apart from other creators. Consider your strengths, skills, experiences, and passions. Develop a strong brand identity that represents who you are and what your channel stands for. Consider aspects such as your channel name, logo, color palette, and overall visual style. Create content that is unique, valuable, and tailored to your target audience. Find gaps or underserved areas within your niche and create content that addresses those needs. Provide insights, tips, tutorials, or entertaining content that is not readily available elsewhere. Be yourself and let your personality shine through in your videos. Authenticity is key to standing out from the crowd. Show your true self, be genuine, and build a connection with your viewers. Viewers appreciate creators who are relatable and authentic. Explore different video formats, styles, and editing techniques to find what works best for your content and audience. Try out different storytelling approaches, visual effects, or editing styles to make your videos visually appealing and engaging. Actively engage with your audience by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and incorporating viewer suggestions. Collaborating with other YouTubers or industry influencers can help you expand your reach and expose your channel to a new audience. Look for creators who align with your niche or have a similar target audience. Stay updated with the latest trends, techniques, and tools in video production and content creation. Find your target audience. Finding your target audience is a critical step in growing your YouTube channel. Start by examining the analytics of your existing videos. Look for patterns in terms of which videos perform well, generate high engagement, and attract the most views. Identify the demographics, age, gender, location, of your current audience and analyze their interests and preferences. Develop a clear understanding of who your ideal viewer is. Consider their age, gender, location, interests, hobbies, and challenges they may face. Create a detailed persona that represents your target audience. Use keyword research tools to identify popular search terms and topics related to your niche. This research helps you understand the keywords and phrases your target audience is using when searching for content. If you have existing social media profiles, analyze the demographics and interests of your followers. Look for patterns and similarities between your YouTube audience and your social media audience. Actively engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for feedback, and encouraging discussions. Pay attention to the comments and questions they leave on your videos and use this information to understand their needs, interests, and challenges. Conduct surveys or polls to gather direct feedback from your audience. Ask questions about their content preferences, topics they would like to see, and any specific challenges they want you to address. Analyze the content and engagement of other YouTube channels in your niche. Identify the channels that have a similar target audience as yours, and analyze the type of content they produce. Look for gaps or areas where you can differentiate yourself and provide unique value to your audience. Take advantage of YouTube's built-in analytics tool to gain insights into your channel's performance. Analyze the demographics, traffic sources, watch time, and engagement metrics of your viewers. Discover what videos your target audience likes. Discovering what videos your target audience likes is crucial for growing your YouTube channel. By understanding their preferences and interests, you can create content that resonates with them and keeps them engaged. Here's a detailed explanation of how to discover what videos your target audience likes. Start by analyzing the performance of your existing videos. Look for patterns in terms of which videos have received the most views, likes, comments, and shares. Identify the topics, formats, and styles that have resonated well with your audience. Use keyword research tools to identify popular search terms and topics related to your niche. Look for keywords that have high search volume and low competition. This research helps you understand the specific topics your target audience is searching for and interested in. Stay updated with the latest trends and topics in your niche. Monitor popular hashtags, industry news, and discussions on social media platforms. Analyze the content of other YouTube channels that cater to a similar audience as yours. Pay attention to the topics, formats, and styles they use in their videos. Look for the videos that have garnered high engagement and views. Actively engage with your audience through comments, social media, and community interactions. Pay attention to the comments, questions, and suggestions they leave on your videos and social media platforms. Leverage the analytics provided by YouTube to gain insights into your viewers' behavior. Analyze the watch time, audience retention, and click-through rates of your videos. Identify the videos that have higher viewer retention and engagement. Don't be afraid to experiment with different types of content to see what resonates with your audience. Try different formats, styles, and topics to gauge their response. Pay attention to the metrics and feedback you receive to determine what works best. By actively discovering what videos your target audience likes, you can tailor your content to their preferences and increase the likelihood of attracting and retaining a dedicated viewership. Remember to continuously monitor audience feedback, stay informed about industry trends, and adapt your content strategy accordingly to ensure you're delivering the content your audience desires. Reproduce what's working for other people. When it comes to growing your YouTube channel, it's important to recognize that success leaves clues. Don't try to reinvent the wheel by starting from scratch. Instead, learn from others who have already achieved success on the platform. Here's a detailed explanation of why you shouldn't be afraid to copy what's working for other people. Take the time to study and analyze successful YouTube channels within your niche. Look for channels that have a large subscriber base, high engagement, and consistent views. Pay attention to the content they create, their video formats, presentation style, and storytelling techniques. While it's important to maintain your own unique voice and brand, it's also essential to recognize patterns and trends that resonate with your target audience. Analyze the content themes, formats, and topics that consistently perform well across multiple channels. By learning from others, you can save time and effort that would otherwise be spent on trial and error. Instead of starting from scratch and struggling to find the right content strategy, you can leverage the knowledge and experiences of successful YouTubers. While you can learn from successful channels, it's crucial to adapt and personalize the strategies and techniques to fit your unique style and target audience. IT. By observing what's working for others, you can stay ahead of the curve and adapt your content to meet the changing preferences of your audience. While it's beneficial to learn from others, it's equally important to bring your unique value and perspective to your content. Assess your competition. Understanding your competition is crucial for positioning your channel effectively. Analyze the channels and creators in your niche who are already successful and have a significant subscriber base. Study their content, engagement strategies, audience interactions, and branding. Differentiation is key to standing out in a crowded YouTube landscape. Find unique aspects or perspectives that set you apart from your competitors. Consider the following strategies. Identify a unique angle or approach to the topics you cover. Find a way to present information, provide insights, or entertain your audience that hasn't been done before. Develop a presentation style that is distinct and memorable. Whether it's your humor, storytelling abilities, or energetic delivery, find ways to captivate your viewers and leave a lasting impression. Offer something of value to your audience. Develop a consistent visual identity for your channel. Use a recognizable logo, color scheme, and branding elements in your video intros, thumbnails, and channel artwork. To sum it up, finding your place in the YouTube landscape, standing out, understanding your target audience, and learning from successful channels are essential steps to growing your YouTube channel. Don't hesitate to borrow effective strategies, but make them your own. Ready to take your channel to the next level? Hit that subscribe button to join our community and stay updated with the latest YouTube success tips. Happy creating,